Welcome to Excel Learning. Today we will learn index match function. So we have these are two separate functions. Index is a separate function and match is a separate function. We are going to use those two, index and match, to return a value. So index match, what it does is that index match looks for the value which is on the left hand side. So this will find out the, for example, what is the value against this pencil on the left hand side, that is office supplies, in which category it falls into. So this is helpful wherever the VLOOKUP function does not work. In VLOOKUP function, we always look for the values which is on the right hand side of certain column. So in index match, we will always look for the value which is on the left hand side. This will help to find out the values on the left hand side. So what is an index? Index basically returns the value which is there in a particular cell based on the column and row number. I'll show you one example over here which I have already taken. See here, I'm using this index function where I've selected this entire table excluding the header, and I've given 15 comma 3. 15 is the row number and 3 is the column number. See here, you can see the 15 is the this is a row number. In this table we can see the 15 as a row number. What is the row number? 15 is technology, and 3 is the column number. Against the row 3, against the column 3, we have technology. That is what it has been written here. See, zoom, right? So if I say here, I'll say here, for example, 2, it will give you technology, because the column 2, here we are having these values, category, these values in column 2. That is the reason it gave you technology, because we are using 15. Under 15 we have technology. For example, if I say 12, here if I say 12, you'll get the, again you are getting the technology. Let's give it as a 11. You'll see furniture, right? We got the furniture. And what I'll do, I'll now use one index formula. Yeah, is equal to index. I am selecting the entire table again from here. Okay, comma. Here this time I'm giving let us say I'm giving 11 comma 3. You'll get paper. See, against the furniture we have the paper. That is what I have got here. It's very easy to understand, no need to confuse here. I've selected the table, then I've given the row number as 11. 11 is nothing but again furniture, and comma 3. Comma 3 is nothing but paper. That's what we want. See, here we have the paper, here we have the furniture. This is how you can use the index function. And what is a match function? Match returns the position of a cell in a row or a column. See, I'll give you one easy example over here which I've already written. See, in match function, first you need to give what you are looking for. Here I'm looking for Smith. In where I'm looking, I'm looking in this column 1 comma 0. I'll give you one more example. Is equal to match. What I'm looking for example, I'm looking for Howard, comma, where is the Howard? You need to select that entire range, comma 0, and close the bracket. You got the 3, right? This is how the match works. This will return the position, the third position. It is there in the third position. That is the reason it is giving you 3. See, I'll use the index match now to find the here how it works, combining the index and match. Go to the I'm using the again this function. See, index and match. Here I've combined these two functions to arrive some value here. I'll explain you now. B3 is to B17 is what I've selected. B3 is to B17. This is what I've selected till this column 2 I've selected completely. In column 2 I'm searching for a match what? Mobile, comma, where is that mobile located? Here in this subcategory it is what located. You can see it here, comma 0. Simply I've used that, so that what I got the technology. See, next to, on the left hand side of mobile, what we have the technology. By using the VLOOKUP function will not be arriving at this data. So that is the reason I have used this function, that is index and match function, to arrive at the mobile, right? Then now this is what we are looking at in today's videos. Thank you for watching the video.